One of the things we fortunately don't see too much because it's usually going to take a catastrophic accident that we try and build into a lot of the policies are called a business interruption insurance. Say if a restaurant were to have a fire in the kitchen, it's pretty bad. It's going to take 3, 4, 5, 6 months to repair. A restaurant depends on its location to do business, so they're going to take the business expenses for usually most of the times at minimum up to a year. It would cover some lost revenue, could cover to lease another facility to try and operate a restaurant while the original location was getting back on its feet to be repaired. So sometimes when, there's an accident and, whether it be a storm, a fire, and people, of course, they're like, well, thank goodness I have insurance. They're going to pay for it. But then, then it's like, well, what do we do in the meantime?
Yeah.
How do we keep the payroll going?
Right.
Keep the expenses covered. So most of our companies kind of build in that business interruption. It's not one we have, like I said, fortunately have to use that much because most people's that have a claim, it's, the building can still be used. It's not, catastrophic, so to speak. But if it's so bad that, you can even, or if it were a retail store, we've had that before, bad storm damage, month and a half, people can't walk in and buy merchandise. So that kind of helps, keep the business going and the expenses paid.
Yeah, lost income and revenue.
Lost income, all those things that just happen all at once when whatever the situation is happens.